In this video, I'm going to answer the age-old question of should you be doing high weight, low reps or low weight, high reps in order to build muscle and get in shape. And to get right to the point, I would say honestly, lightweight and high reps will definitely get you better results. Now, the reason why I do the air quotes there for lightweight is because in the beginning, the weight might be pretty light because your body's not used to doing the high repetitions, but then eventually you're gonna get stronger. I know for me, I was doing like 10-pound lateral raises and I could get to like 12 reps. And then I got to 16 reps and then to 25 reps. And then I went from 10 pounds to 12 pounds and from 12 pounds to 15. And now I can do 35-pound dumbbell lateral raises for like 16 reps pretty easily. And 35 pounds is not lightweight. So, that's why I do the light for the air quotes, because oftentimes people, they just are fighting like life or death just to move heavy weight for like a couple reps. And at the end of the day, if the goal is to burn calories and build muscle, doing a short activity like that, like 2 or 3 reps, it's not gonna do anything. With more reps, you're using more energy, which means you're burning more calories. With more reps, you are actually fatiguing the muscle more. So for a simple framework that you can follow to build more of the muscle, burn more of the calories, what I would say is don't go for more than 30 reps. For certain muscle groups, certain exercises, you can get up to 30 reps. Like for legs, I'll do like 30 reps of like leg presses, or like 25 reps of like leg extensions. And then for calves, I'm doing like 25, 30 reps for my calves. But you might not have to do that for your shoulders. You might not have to do that for your chest. In fact, what I normally recommend is as soon as you get to like 20 or 25 reps, increase the weight. Like if you're not tapped out by that point and you feel like you could do some more after that, increase the weight. So the moment you get to 20 or 25, general rule of thumb is increase the weight. On a little side note here, let's say you aren't quite ready to increase the weight yet, but the high reps, you're not really feeling it. You're not feeling the fatigue. What do you do then? Well, you simply just move the weight more slowly. So by increasing the amount of time that you're putting the tension on the muscles, taking the time to really think and flex and squeeze the blood into those muscles is so crucial to stimulate the body, to stimulate the mind and the muscle connection so that it responds by saying, hey, we're working pretty hard here. We should probably grow more of these muscles. And if you're looking for ways to make it more intense, that's when I'd also start recommending moving the weight more slowly. You're gonna feel it, because the goal is to feel the burn and to get fatigued. And I find that the best way to get both of those things is by doing more repetitions and moving the weight more slowly. And the only way you can really do that is by using lighter weight. So hopefully that helped to answer some of your questions there. If you have any more questions or you'd like to know a little bit more details about this way of exercising to build muscle and burn some more fat, drop a comment down below and your question will most likely make it into a future video. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.